We're gonna take my beauty room from this to this. Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today is gonna be a different video because I will be cleaning up my beauty room. I had to break my entire beauty room down for about 2 weeks because my aunt flew in from Guyana to help take care of my mom. So my room looks a mess. Like, everything is literally everywhere. So here's the blow up bed. I'm currently blowing it down, and this is what the beauty room looks like as of right now. So today I'm gonna show you dolls how I build up my beauty room, and this is pretty much beginner friendly because everything I have is, I would say, for beginners. It's all DIY from Amazon, so you guys will get to see my equipment and how I set it up, put up my backdrop and all that good stuff. So that's what today's video is gonna be about. If you're interested in seeing how to set up an easy beauty room, then stay tuned and continue watching. But before we jump into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're already not subscribed, and also hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl drops a new video. First thing I'm gonna start with is my backdrop because it's the easiest. Look straight to me. So I have a couple backdrops which I got from B&H. They're pretty expensive, but I'll still link them in the description box below. I have a gray one, I have a brown one, which I like to use all the time because it just complements my skin tone and it's pretty neutral, so I can do about any look with those two colors, gray and brown. And then I have a pink one which is inside of the box. I have yet to use my pink one. I should put that one up, but I don't think I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna put the brown one back up. So I see that my lighting is pretty inconsistent, so what I'm gonna do is hook up my Diva ring light. Right after I get this back in here. Alright. Let's hook up the Diva ring light really quickly, because this inconsistency in the lighting is, I'm not jacking it at all. I also got this on Amazon. Okay, so this should definitely help the lighting out a bit more. I'm really like drawn between pink or nude. Which one do you dolls think I should use? I'm actually thinking that I'm gonna put the pink up right now though. Oh, look at it, it's so fresh. Whew. It's hot. Have these little clips right here that came with the whole backdrop setup, and I just hook it on. So that was the hardest part, is putting up the backdrop. Woo! Now, to keep my backdrops nice and clean, I like to keep them in a box. That's how you preserve your backdrops. And have some extra clips that I just clip like there. And this goes behind. just like that. So now that the backdrop is set up, let's set up the monitor. Okay, so I could clip my hair up for a little while because it's really hot. I'm actually gonna open the window also. Now, the monitor is basically what a lot of beauty gurus use to see themselves, you know, on a bigger screen. Like my camera, I have the Canon G7X, and it has like a flip screen where I can see myself talking to you right now. But when you're doing your makeup, it's kind of hard, especially when you're using small cameras. You know, you gotta squint in and look and see if everything is good. So the beauty gurus, they usually use the monitors. I use my 22-inch Samsung TV as my monitor, and I just hook it up to the camera with an HDMI cord. I'm gonna show you though. As soon as I get it together, because I don't know, a lot of stuff has just been moved around, so I don't know where a lot of things are. Okay, so dolls, this is what an HDMI cord looks like. It's just like this. I get a lot of questions when I post my filming videos in my Insta story. I get a lot of questions on how do I hook my camera up to a monitor, or what this is and what that is. So we're gonna plug it in right here. Then we're gonna need a mini like HDMI adapter, because this big piece can't fit into the camera. So we're gonna need a mini adapter right here, and then we're gonna connect it to this HDMI. I'm gonna turn the monitor back around. We're gonna turn the television on. Then we're gonna plug us into the HDMI port on the camera, and then we're gonna see ourselves on the cameras on the TV screen just now. And there we have it. This is how you connect your camera to your monitor. You just need an HDMI cord, and if the HDMI cord for your TV is too tiny, then you need a micro HDMI cord to connect to your regular size HDMI cord cable. Super duper easy. So let's get back to finish cleaning up and setting up my studio. Now that we got all the hard stuff out the way, like I said, dolls, I will be linking all of my equipment in terms of my lighting, my backdrop paper, my backdrop stand, my tripod, TV, everything. I link all of the links in the description box below. Now we're just at the part where I'm tidying up my makeup corner. So on this glass desk right here in this area, I got this desk from IKEA. Also got my makeup desk from IKEA. I also got this makeup or storage selection, whatever you want to call that, from IKEA. But I usually put everything that I need to film that I got in PR over here so that it's right there, easy to grab and go. So I have some phone cases from Luxy Lemon, which I'm packing up right now and getting it organized. I also have this Love Yours box, which I'm also very, very late on filming. I'm so sorry about this, but I had to get, you know, organized with life and everything. Then I have some stuff from Hush. You know, you dolls love Hush because it's so affordable. I have that I have to film as well. And I just keep it right next to me. Easy to just grab and film. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just getting this whole section here organized. It's really trashy. It looks a hot mess. Whew. I also have to film this teeth whitening kit from Smile Brilliant. They sent me this last year, and I still haven't been able to use it because I had to get my wisdom tooth pulled and my teeth deep cleaned before I actually went in and put chemicals and all of that. But what's really cool is they also sent me a kit to give away, so stay tuned for that. I will be giving away a bomb teeth whitening kit. So I also have to put this on my desk to do, well, to film stuff. Okay, now let's get this all cleared up and organized because this looks a hot mess. These are some of my lashes that I have to put into the appropriate packaging. This is MINK Noir, my first one. Don't forget to shop my bomb lashes, dolls. They're really, really popping. Could you guys believe that I purchased this KKW times Mario collection and I've never used it? And this also came out last year. I've never ever used it, but I'm waiting for the perfect look that I can put together to actually use it. Hopefully I'm not too late. So this bag right here basically has my go-to everyday makeup that I travel with. It comes between here and Justin's house must-haves. Okay, we're done with that section. Now, Beauty Guru 101, you're gonna definitely want a calendar and a to-do list so that you can always keep yourself organized and make sure that you're staying consistent, which I shouldn't be talking about because I am not consistent, but as you can see, we're getting it together. Here in this corner, I basically have all of the clothing that I'm going to be trying on for my try-on haul. So I'm definitely going to need you dolls' opinion on this one. Should I do a regular Fashion Nova try-on haul, or should I do a boyfriend rates my outfits from Fashion Nova haul? Let me know. My makeup drawer is a hot mess. We'll declutter that on another day. Right now, we're just getting the studio back to the way it's supposed to be. Whew. I'm in my glory. It feels so good. Whew. Alrighty, that took us about an hour and a half, or maybe two, because the camera kept on dying, but we got some good progress. The studio's back live, so definitely expect some new fresh videos from me ASAP. You dolls ready to see? So what do you dolls think? I thought that this video would be so helpful and effective, especially for beginner YouTubers. I hope you dolls like learned a lot from this video, and I hope if you're somewhat interested in starting a YouTube channel that this definitely helped you. Give me a thumbs up if you dolls enjoyed this video. Give me another thumbs up if you dolls think I did a good job on setting up the studio from what it looked like before. Let me know if you dolls would like some more videos like this. Let me know what other videos you dolls would like to see from me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you dolls in my next video. Bye dolls.